Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Next Friction Zone. Today I have a very important tip and it's regarding arm positioning. Okay, one thing that you never want to do is you do not want to ride your bike with your elbows locked out, with your arms straightened up, and you never want to be holding off to your bike for dear life using your hands. Okay, have you ever seen those videos where people are riding the bike for the first time and they'll whiskey throttle and all of a sudden the bike just goes and you're holding on, okay, just because you don't want to fall off? Only bad things can happen. Once that happens, when the bike is taking off and your only option is to hold on to the bike, there's really nothing you can do because it's very difficult for you to come back to this position. So what I'm telling you is make sure that your elbows are bent at all times and you are very easy and relaxed. You shouldn't be using your hands to hold on to the bike anyways. You should be holding on to the bike with your lower body, in specific your legs, and also the position of how you're seated, okay? That's very important. You also want to make sure that your hands, specific your throttle, your right hand when you're holding the throttle, that you're not white knuckling. Okay, you want to make sure that you're easily holding on to the bike. For me, everybody has a different way of handling their throttle. For me, I handle my throttle like I'm a musician, like I'm holding a pen. I actually use these two fingers. Okay, everyone has a different physiology on the position and the side of their hand and the size of their hands against against how your bike is designed. This works for me. Maybe I've seen people holding on like this. Okay, if you can tell. But for me, this works. Okay, you just have to find your sweet spot. Just ask anybody who rides motorcycles; they'll tell you something slightly different. But one thing that they'll agree and tell you is that you should never knuckle. You should never white knuckle your throttle, especially if your arms are locked out like this. Okay? All right, that's my tip for today. Until next time. Bye.